Hi guys, welcome back. Before I get started on this cleaning motivation, I just want to share this fun thing I got on Amazon. It's 648 pieces of wood screw hiders. So if you have wood paneling like I do, you can find these on Amazon for less than $10. And it actually has different shades of wood. So you can see you have light, dark, depending on the wood you have. And that way if you drill holes into the wall, you can easily just patch it up and hide it. And I thought that was a great find. All right, let's get into the video.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy,